investment in cultural legacies can be a powerful agent in improving the quality of human life.
The completion of the restoration work on Humayun's tomb marks a major step in the transformation of a once run-down area. His Highness the Aga Khan joined the Prime Minister of India, Manmohan Singh, in the heart of New Delhi to mark the occasion at the newly restored tomb. The project, an urban renewal initiative by the Aga Khan Trust for Culture, is run in conjunction with a number of partners, including the Archaeological Survey of India, the Ratan Tata Trust and the City of New Delhi.
The Humayun Tomb project was the first public-private partnership for cultural heritage in Indian history. The word partnership, in fact, could be the watchword of this celebration. What we honor today, above all else, is the spirit of partnership in which this work has unfolded.
India has one of the richest repositories of heritage anywhere in the world, and it is critical that we find practical and innovative ways to preserve and maintain this heritage.
Humayun's tomb is just one of many sites of cultural importance in the Nizamuddin conservation area. Named after the early 14th century saint Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia, who was buried here, 7 centuries of tomb building have made this one of the densest groupings of medieval Islamic buildings in the world. Conservation works have revived a craft-based approach. Local craftsmen have been trained to match the work of their forefathers using traditional tools, building traditions and materials. For example, 1 million kilos of cement laid here in the 20th century has been removed from the roof by craftsmen using hand tools. Ornamental star-shaped ceiling patterns in lime plaster have been painstakingly restored by specially trained craftsmen.
These combined sites will create a heritage zone of unmatched scale, value and visibility, a proud symbol of Indian history. But cultural history is only one part of the story. A central premise of our work is that cultural enrichment and historic restoration can also be effective springboards for economic and for social progress.
The project aims not just to restore sites of cultural importance, it's determined to bring about a complete transformation of the area. A programme of social projects has sought to improve the lives of local residents in the nearby densely populated Nizamuddin Basti. Following major renovations of the school building, the municipal primary school today provides quality education to more than 600 children. Improved teaching and innovations such as computer courses and street computer kiosks have helped to raise standards of learning. Vocational training opportunities have been opened up. For example, more than 400 women have been trained in crafts such as Ari embroidery and tailoring. Many are now preparing a variety of products and generating an income for their families. And the municipal polyclinic has improved access to healthcare. For example, a recently established community health program employs health workers trained from the Basti to identify vulnerable individuals and ensure they can access health facilities.
We start working with women when they're pregnant to ensure a safe delivery. We work with the little children to make sure that they get pre-primary education. Then we work with children who get primary education. We have an English program for adolescents. We have skill training for youth. We work with the women to ensure that they have access to some form of livelihood. If they can go out of the house, great. If they can't, then we have craft activities for them. In addition, we work with the community to form groups so that they take over the management of the facilities that we are creating.
We've been encouraged by the impact of this project on the lives of some 20,000 inhabitants in the Nizamuddin Basti area. But we cannot assume that such favorable outcomes will emerge automatically from such work. They must be carefully considered and continually monitored. A measuring process that begins when a project is launched and continues long beyond its completion.
Looking to the future, work at the Sundar Nursery aims to create an urban oasis for New Delhi. Established in the 20th century to grow plants for the city, work is underway to transform the nursery into a major landscape space that combines leisure facilities, historical sites and environmental conservation. Since 2008, over 20,000 plants have been added to the nursery, ensuring a vibrant and diverse green space for future generations to enjoy.
I would conclude as I began, with a heartfelt salute to the partners who have worked with us in making this day possible, and to all those who have cared so deeply about this project and supported it so thoughtfully. You've helped to make the Humayun tomb endeavor into a great gift to the people of this neighborhood, to the city of Delhi, to the people of India, and indeed the peoples of the world. And you have validated the foundations on which many similar initiatives here in India and elsewhere can be built. Thank you.